What's up mga kalaptop? So today is gonna be our pre-girlfriend reveal vlog. Yay! I know you guys have been very excited to actually see her, but karon you're just gonna be able to hear her. So on the way, I'm gonna do a road trip using the new GAC Motors GS8. And she's gonna be asking me a couple of questions. I'm gonna be telling you guys stories. She's gonna be telling you guys stories. And that's basically gonna be it. So, karon nag-coffee na lami, getting ready for the road trip. And then we'll see you guys there at GAC. Hey guys, so we're here now at GAC Motors. And the unit that we will be bringing with us to our getaway is the GAC GS8. So, muna siya itong dadon with us to Bual-Bual for our getaway. And it's a very, very sexy car. And as you guys know, I am an SUV person, so I love big cars. So, it's very sexy and we'll talk about it on our way to Bual-Bual. So we'll see you guys there inside the actual car. Okay guys, so road trip na ta with my camera woman, the love of my life. So babe, are you ready for our adventure?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's go! So excited. Let's go, babe.
Okay.
Babe, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Guys, actually, this is our first road trip together. And we're so excited. So, unsa to itong button?
Iwo man kay share nila on sa ato ang story.
How it started? Sige,
Yeah.
go on.
Wait lang, babe.
Okay, what?
Ato sa i-open ang sunroof. Sa gito. Wani siya.
Ano?
We'll hold it 2 seconds.
Wow! Para better lighting. Ko smart yun na niya akong love you. Cheesy. Ko smart na niya ako yan. Kuhan kayo ka na creative ay. Anyways, moving on with our story. Actually guys, we met 2 years ago. Diba ka babe, on the first day that we met, kay I still have a photo of us. I still remember sa San Remigio to, it was for an event.
Nga, imo kong story.
Yeah.
Instagram.
Yaka ba mo guys, first day nga nag-meet me, kaya yan akong ilibrihan. Diba? Wapo jugo. Before we proceed, of course, we'd like to thank again GAC Motors Cebu for lending us the GAC GS8. It's very comfortable, such a great drive. Yeah, really, it feels really nice to take for a long drive. Ikaw, babe, what do you think of the car?
Very fancy.
Very fancy, no? It's very fancy.
Comfortable.
Go GAC!
Yay!
Anyways, so going back, so we met 2 years ago around April 2, babe, no? April 16 ba to? Basta kay April, I remember ba those details? No? We were at an event dito sa San Remigio. It was called Sultry. During that time, I was one of the event's endorsers or ambassadors, and then so of course I had to go to the event, and then thankfully enough, diba I was actually thinking, babe nga, dili unta ko mo to. Pero at the back of my mind, I should go because I might miss out on something nice. And thank God I went to that. Okay, I got to meet you. Love you, baby.
I love you.
And then, so from there, kanang niagira ko, kanang, ikay sa story, babe. Like, so how did you first, nakakita ka na ako from afar?
Nakakita ako ni mo, niingon ang manager sa event.
Ah.
That's Dodong Dave. Tagay og libre. Libre nga drinks.
So what's the reason nga on the first day that we met kay kanang gilibrehan ako niya. Yeah. Ato nga din, na-crush na siya na ako.
Sure.
Bitaw. Kanang during that time kay she was still in a relationship and I was also still dating someone. Pero pagkakita na ko niya kay kanang gigwapahan ko niya, but wala jud kay intentions kay kanang not that kind of guy, kanang assume na kung single lang tao. Kay pro loyalty ba jud ko. And of course I was also dating someone. So kanang unfair sad ba? Diba? Sana all loyal.
Sana all.
And then sa moto, that's where we met. And then kanang small talk lang. Niya akong gilibrihan ng drink. And then kanang nag-boomerang ko niya. I didn't know nga na-save date na niya sa sa iyang phone. And then karon na nga nag-uyan mi nakaibaw mi ay naka-realize siya nga pa din niya. Sa moto, that's how we met. And then ano siya? What else? What's up on, babe?
More to. After that,
Ha? After that,
to,
kay
second
kanang ang amo ang
time we met.
second nga meeting nga dili sa to siya tinuyo kay wala gid mi alam. We were both in a movie katong kuan nila to i-disclose sa nga movie. Basta kay we were both in a movie and the call time was at a Jollibee here in Cebu City. And then kanang ikaw ra mo to isa babe no pag-abot na ko.
Yep.
Yeah, kanang usually ako on time jud ko. Yeah, apparently siya kay early. Siya early ako on time. So pag-abot na ko sa Jollibee kay kanang naa na siya dito. And then siya ra isa, yeah. Gikan pa ka event ato babe no.
Yes, babe.
Yeah, gikan pa siya event ato. And then ako kay more I think gikan lang ko balay at that time. Okay, more I wanted to kind of rest well ba. Okay, kaya ako it was a long day of filming. So then from there kay kanang in my mind kay cute man siya. Kiligan na ko ang siya.
Nag-smile siya ko the whole time.
Cute man siya. Pero kanang actually at that time I didn't know nga kanang you had a boyfriend, but of course I assumed kay guwapa ba ka? Mga simply may money niya. Judgmental kayo babe. But although I was right, and then like I said, I was still dating someone, and then auto from there nga ni kuan lang pa niya nga kanang naman to'y van nga gi-provide for the talents. But then ako kay di ko ganahan nga mo wait ko because kana I would rather drive myself pa. Okay, if in case nga mahuman ko sayo, I don't have to wait, so I can just drive myself home. Look, babe, I just realized pa kani nga done mo man eh. Remember? Timing ay. Yeah, so mo ni ang dahan nga mong gagian. Naka-long drive na dito, baby.
Ay, oh!
Ako first time na long... Actually, ganina ni... Anak ko, babe, muna ito first long drive together. And I realized na nag-long drive pa dito, tato, no? Okay, sa car mo sa dito pa doon. Love you.
Nagipakatog ko din mo. Imo kang ipaborrow sa imong pillow.
Yeah, sa akong pillow, sa akong blanket. Because I always keep a pillow and blanket in my car all the time. Okay, in case nga sleepy ko.
Okay. Ako may natog sa biyahe.
Kaya, hi!
Are you tani stop?
Diri gito.
Are you tani stop?
Dito ang first nga, dito gi-set up ang tents.
Oh, yeah.
Natin unahan ka mayon.
Yeah, imo kang gipukaw.
Gipukaw di kay ginanti ka nga kanang kuan. Kanang abot na ta.
Oh, kana ko.
Dito babe, dito. Kinuno ko diri ang tents.
Dito siya.
Diri mo tong kuan first. Dito. Wala timing nga babe. Nga mo tong istorya. No?
Oo.
brings back a lot of memories. So yeah, mo na siya basically, guys. And we just, you know, like after 2 years na I didn't actually expect na kaya honestly, abigyan ako kanang because when I found out nga Chow was in a relationship kay her, I really thought nga she was in a very, you know, healthy relationship. So I was thinking, maybe ka nang magkadayo na sila ani, ana. Of course, wala na sa ko. Wala ko eh. Di mo I don't really assume anything. So then when I found out nga kanang kuha na sila, they actually broke up. Kaya murag, okay, kanang they ended. Yeah, kanang nagka-date me after taon-taon sa tanong pila pa ka months after they broke up. Yeah, just so you guys know, akong last official girlfriend was actually 3 years ago. Because after that relationship, I decided nga I wanted to put myself first. Because, you know, I had lots of goals to achieve, lots of dreams to fulfill. Go, babe. What do you think of our relationship? Easy ba ka?
Wait lang. Wala ako kabos ako itubag.
Think about it. Are you happy?
I'm happy. Like, very happy. Okay.
Why are you happy?
Oh, babe, ako kabos ako itubag.
Hindi siya, guys.
Let me explain.
Sige.
Let me explain sa akong feelings.
How can you
Wala ko kapaw what words ako i-use para ma-explain ako taro sa akong feelings. Char kayo to. Pero bitaw, babe. So man, I'm happy.
Ay ko faila ka.
I'm just happy. It's one way. It's one of words.
Taas pa kaya itong road trip, oh.
So, dagan pa kong time. Taas pa kong time.
Actually, namin sa Alcantara, guys.
Yeah.
It's one more province ba? Or one more municipality before Walboal. So, we're almost there.
Okay. So,
What is it, my love?
Answer.
Ha?
Ano kaya answer? Di mo ganda ko ma-explain. Kaya basta, di mo ko ready mo love. Pero naawat ka.
So, what made you decide na hindi mo ko i-love? Actually, hindi nga siya na, hindi pa daw siya ready, but you said yes. And you decided to love me. Why?
Because I realized I will never be ready. I will never be ready to get hurt. I will never be ready to fall in love again. Yun na.
Kung may makahila ka nito. Was it worth it?
Yes.
Am I worth it?
So far, yes. You're worth it.
Thank you.
It's worth it.
Are you enjoying our trip?
Yep.
Is there anything else you want to say?
Nalipong na ko, babe.
Is it because of my driving?
Pasasi ka mo drive.
Sorry. Pero, aside from that, comfortable kayong car, no?
Yeah.
Comfortable kayo yung
Okay
GAC
kayo.
GS8. It's very fancy. State of the art. And, tanaw ni guys. Na siya yung lane assist. So, every time mo change gear ko, tanaw ni. Mo change lane ko. Mo assist siya. Kung na ba'y coming sa kong way.
Excuse me.
See?
Muna gito mo. Tutong yumat ka niya.
Siya yung lane assist.
Spell.
It's very fancy. Nice, no? Nice car.
Yep, nice car.
Okay, so
Thank you, GAZ.
that's it for the question and answer. Kwan lang, short intro of our relationship, of my real life personal relationship with my girlfriend, and I hope you guys, stay tuned to the actual girlfriend reveal video. Okay, karon, you just get to hear her. Give me your hand, and then you get to see her hand. I love you so much.
I love you more.
Babe, where are we going?
We're going to Naga.
To get?
Get food.
Are you enjoying your drive?
Yes, I'm driving.
Up, up! Careful. So guys, we just finished our getaway at Malboal. It was very, very therapeutic. We've been very stressed lately, and I guess that's just what we really needed. We just needed each other. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. We're just gonna go grab some food. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Once again, this is Dodong signing out.
Kuyawan mo ko.
See ya!